Hello, welcome to University Updates. Today I am here with a new update. Osmania University BA BCom BSc, BBA BSW, CBCS, first semester regular examinations notification, February 2022 published. Here is the official notification issued by Osmania University on the 2nd of February 2022. For official notification, visit link in video description. For complete information and further details, visit universityupdates.in. app.universityupdates.in. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.